Yeah, I think that looks really good.
Welcome everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how I made this mask. Now it's really sunny, so you can't see that it has LEDs inside that light up. So it's really fun to wear at night because it has a nice spooky element to it. So to get started, you're going to need these templates. They're available in the description box below and you can print them out on 2 sheets. Now if you print it out as it is, then this distance here, starting from there, going all the way there, is going to be 29 centimeters. You need to scale this to fit your head specifically. So to do that, you need to measure the distance starting from the middle of your head, going across that way until the back of your head. So you take that distance and you divide it by 29, and what you'll obtain is a scale factor. So say for example you measure the distance of 58 centimeters. You divide that by 29 and you get a scale factor of 2. That means you have to double the size of your template. If you get a scale factor of 0.5, that means you have to half the size of your template. So that's how that works. Once you scale it up, you can print the template out and cut the pieces out of some 4mm thick kraft foam. And then you can start assembling them, and to do that we're going to be using contact adhesives. So let's start them.
Let's go.
So at this point the build of the mask is done, but it looks a little boring. So we're going to try giving it some teeth, and then we're going to try to have them backlit along with the eyes, and we're going to use LED tape for that.
You can power your LEDs by connecting it directly to a 9-volt battery, but I would like to be able to control the brightness. So to do that, I'm going to wire a 4.7 kilo ohm potentiometer in between. So in the middle you have your 4.7 kilo ohm potentiometer. On this side you have the leads from your LED tape, and on this side you have the leads from your battery. So then you connect the positive lead of your battery to this single pin of your potentiometer, and then you connect this pin of your potentiometer to the positive lead of your LED tape. By the way, you can also use this pin, either one works just fine. After that, you just connect the negative lead of your battery to the negative lead of your LED tape, and then you're all set to go. So this marks the end of the video. If you guys liked some of the artwork, I have links to them available in the description box below. Other than that, until next time then.